Okay, YouTube. I've been hearing people ask about the USB cord not reading for the Sciphone i68, so what I'm gonna do is just show you what I do. Here's the USB cord. See, I was on MySpace right at the time. I mean on YouTube right at the time. So I'm just gonna get this out the way. Alright. At first, you wanna plug your USB cord in and restart it while your phone is plugged up with your USB cord and your USB cord is in the computer. When you restart it, and if it doesn't read right away as an extra drive in your hard drive, just play with it. It should read, okay? Alright, first plug your USB cord in your computer. Okay. I'm gonna plug my phone up. See, it just said charger connected. It didn't do anything. So I'm gonna lay this phone down, and I'm gonna take the other part out that's connected to the computer. See, it says charger disconnected. So when I plug it back in, it said phone connected, and then there you go. You have mass storage, webcam, COM port. Hit mass storage, and it says please wait. And there you go. On the computer, it pops up. Pops up as, do you want to scan this fixed removable disk L? You hit continue without scanning. There you go. And open folder. There it is. Right there. Audio, ebook, images, Java, MP3, music. That's my MP3 folder. All my music on my phone. Video, all my videos on my phone. And my wallpapers right there. I mean, it's simple. You know, just keep fiddling with it. It should work. If there's nothing wrong with your USB cord, it should work. Hands down. I think that's all I want to tell you guys. I mean, please rate the videos so people know that I can help them. I can tell you, if you don't get it through my video, I can tell you word for word how to do everything. So, that was a short video. Get at you later. If I see anything else on here that I need to help you guys with, I'll be back.